Hey guys, welcome back to the video guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make an Uber driver account in Canada. So it's really easy and simple. It's a very straightforward process, but we basically need to take care of a few key steps and requirements that actually need to be fulfilled. So this is a step-by-step guide, guys, okay? So first things first, you want to visit the Uber driver sign up page, or you can download the Uber driver app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Okay, not the normal Uber app, the Uber driver app. Okay, so you want to click on sign up to drive, a button to basically start the registration process. And here, guys, what's going to happen is it's going to ask you to provide your personal details. Enter things like your name. You have to enter your email address, your phone number, and of course your desired city of operation. And just create a secure password to protect your account. And now, guys, we're going to talk about some of the requirements. You're going to verify your eligibility, ensure that you're actually meet the basic qualifications, guys. So one is that you must be at least 21 years old. Okay, that's the age part, and you need to have at least 1 year of driving experience. And if you're under 25, you need at least 3 years of driving experience, and of course, a valid Canadian, a driver's license, actually mandatory. And after this, guys, they're going to ask you to submit some documents. You want to submit the required documents. You need to upload clear and valid copies of these following documents. One is a driver's license, guys, and then we have a vehicle insurance and registration if you're using your own car, and of course, proof of work eligibility in Canada, for example, a passport, an SIN, or a work permit, guys. And then you need to pass a vehicle inspection. If you plan to use your own vehicle, you must pass a safety inspection. You want to visit an Uber approved inspection center in your area and upload the completed inspection form. And of course, guys, Uber actually requires all drivers to pass a criminal record check and driving history review. You want to provide your consent and basically necessary details through their secure background check platform. And of course, as you need to get, a vehicle or use Uber rentals. So if you don't actually own a car, Uber offers the rental or lease options. You can select a vehicle that meets, Uber's requirements for your chosen service type. For example, Uber X or Uber XL. And this is optional where if you're required to, because look, some Canadian cities require new drivers to attend a short orientation session, either online or in person. And then, guys, of course, finally, you want to download the Uber driver app. So once you're approved, you want to log into the app, set your availability, and start accepting ride requests. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys, to become a Uber driver in Canada. So I hope this video helps you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button and subscribe to our channel and turn on that bell notification so you get notified of the next video. Until next time, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.